Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome Wide Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. But don't forget to like this video. Sequence manipulation. Sometimes we have our CDS sequence and we need to use its reverse sequence. That what is the reverse sequence of our the sequence, or we need its complementary sequence or reverse complementary sequence, or we have to translate this CDS into RNA, or we need this sequence in lower cases, or we need only the ID. We have a number of sequences and we need only IDs. We didn't need the sequence, or we need the sequence in one line or sequence from IDs, like we need only the sequences, we didn't need the IDs. And also that how many sequences in how many base pairs in one line, or we need the sequence in uppercase. We have lowercase sequence and we need to convert it in uppercase. So all these conditions, how we can manipulate our sequence, either reverse complement or complementary reverse, either RNA lower case or uppercase, or only get the IDs from the sequences, or we have to remove the IDs and get only sequences. All these condition how we can get. Let's start. This is my file that contains the CDS sequences of my genes. These are the number of genes and this is the sequence, CDS sequence of each gene. So if I want to convert or need the some that conditions we apply, so only you need to copy this sequence, open the TB tool, go to sequence toolkit, FASTA tools, sequence manipulate. Now here in this box, paste your sequence. If you need the reverse of this sequence, only reverse, not complement, then click here. So in this output box, the reverse of that sequence is come. Here the in the ATGAC in the start, now here it went to at end, ATGA. If you need the complement of this, means opposite of this sequence, here is ATG, but you need TAC like this, then you need to convert, click on complement, then this sequence is converted into complement. But if you need that this complement is in reverse, so then you click on this both reverse and complement. So here is a ATG and its reverse complement start from here. Now if you need to RNA, then you click on RNA, then this T is converted into U and it will be a RNA sequence. And if your sequence is in upper cases, you need lower case, so click on lower case, so this will convert it into lower case. And now if when you click on uppercase, so this sequence will be converted into uppercase. And if you have a many sequences like this, select all, copy, but you didn't need these sequences, you need only IDs. So you need to paste your sequences with IDs here and then click on only ID. So we have got the IDs of all the genes, so sequences were removed. But if you need that only I need the sequence, no need of IDs, then you have to click on only sequence. When you click on only sequence, the sequence of each gene will come and IDs will removed. So in this way you have to do or manipulate your sequence by getting reverse complement, RNA, only IDs or only sequence. So this is all about today's video. Hopefully it will help you. If you have any query, please comment. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.